There's a lot of people in this business, but not very many of them that got a handle on how to make stuff really well. For years, you would just punch a hole in a belt or just live with it. But today, you can have a clean environment just by keeping all the material, dust and otherwise, on the conveyor. That's basically what our goal is, to keep everything that you put on the conveyor until it gets to the other end and then get it all back off.
There was a guy named Jim Gordon who worked in the mining industry and had some very simple ideas for how to solve some problems that really he dealt with every day. And through the course of time, my dad and him became friends, and he really had no background at all in manufacturing, so he had some good ideas, but didn't have any idea how to produce those ideas and how to take them to market, which was my dad's strength, was to be able to manufacture and take things to market.
And we always were trying to make it better, and we wanted it to be simple. And our goal, our logo at the time was simply the best. Everything we built had to be serviceable by a guy with not much more than a crescent wrench in his pocket. Well, Arch is an international company, and it covers most of the globe. Our goal is to produce material handling equipment that's better than anybody else's.
We look more at customer satisfaction and making sure that when a part gets out there, it's made correctly and it's a quality part. If you look at if somebody calls me in Texas and says, I need you here tomorrow, I can be there tomorrow. That's not a question. I don't have to call United Airlines. I check the weather and I go. We build literally one-off and custom, and the reason we do that is so that when the customer gets it, that it's easy to install.
It's all people, you know, and that's, to me, is key to it, because the people are the ones that are going to make sure that your quality control always stays where it should, that you don't send anything out the door that's not right.